Yeah, let's roll. Let's get it. Let's talk about carnivore diet nutrition, building a body with the carnivore diet. So I'm over past 30 days, maybe like 40 days already. Let me see. I started in the beginning of May. Today's June 5. Yeah, 40 days already. Carnivore diet. And not to lie, to be honest, um, after I got the 30 days that I wanted, it it feel like I want to eat something different, just because after I already accomplished um, what I want to accomplish, and that happens um, most of the time when we set a goal, right? When we finish reaching for our goal, we kind of have this um, thing with us that we want like a reward or something like that, and we tend to go for example, on the diet, we tend to go for something different, right? And I did not let myself go off, because what we gotta understand is that one, we are going through transformation. There's so many things that is happening that we are not able to see it, right? We're not able to see. It's like the it's like the garden, like when you look into garden, like you put a seed and you want that tree to grow, that plant to develop, but it takes time, right? Same things with the body. Like, I know most of the results that I got is gonna come now from what I did a month ago, right? Everything that I did this last 30 days, I'm gonna get in just 30 days now. So if I go and I break my diet and interfere with my diet, I really don't get like the real, like, how you say, I don't get the real results, right, that I could be getting. So you got to bring yourself to the point that you're so dedicated, right, that you're so laser focused. Laser focus is like one dot, right? A laser goes and hit in one place, focus in one dot, not two, not three, right? So that means it's just one thing. Pick up something that is healthy for you, that is good for you, that you're going to be able to follow up with it, and you're going to do it, and you're going to keep doing it. Now, just this pleasure moment, right, on this gap, you got to cover this gap, because you got to understand these things. Like I'm telling you now, like, for example, if I just go and break my diet, I would break my results. It's like you work out the whole week and you eat good, and then on the weekend you go and you drink alcohol, and you spend a night in like late at night, right? Lose some sleep. What do you think that happened to that whole week that you're trying to produce a result? People think they still get results. They're not. They just trash the entire results, right? And anyhow, you guys see what's going on. I'm posting, and you guys are seeing my progress step by step, and I'm very confident that soon I'm gonna have the body that I want, the way that I want, natural, without the help of anything but carnivore diet, just meat, salt and water, and eggs. I might just do some mozzarella on my eggs, just to kind of break off the meat a little bit, and then bacon, right, because source of fat. I do a little bit of pork belly fat to have more fat on my food, but I get brisket, has a lot of fat, and ribeye has a lot of fat, and also do topper sirloin, that has a lot of fat, and just water. This diet is very good, because that's what I want to break down. When it comes to nutrition, it gives you all the nutrition that you need, right? And I feel, look, my arms, I feel like my arms popping up. I feel like my chest. This shirt right here is extra large, right? If I have a shirt that is large, that's my size right now. Before, when I was bigger, like 230, now I'm like 180. this would fit nice when I was 230, but now it's kind of a little bit big for me. But as I keep growing, it'll probably still be working good for me when I get to 210, 220, but lean, right? So I don't know how it's gonna be, but pretty much back to the diet is a nutrition that it kind of like fills you up and give you everything that you need, to the point that you're not looking for other things, right? And you don't have that hunger. You eat and you get satisfied, right? And maybe you gotta, I don't know, for some people maybe they gotta adjust, like maybe get a little bit of fish, get a little bit of maybe like pork ribs, it's like a little bit of fat in there, but all your feed has got to be a lot of fat. People got this myth of fat. They got this myth of like eggs that has a lot of cholesterol and all that, but that's the best things that you could have for your body, right? Then when you do them, you feel optimal. But you want to go about what is in the news, what people say. I don't even watch the news, so you get an idea. I don't even watch the news, right? I just do what it works for me, and I go about my conscience, right? I come up with my stuff, and it's working, it's doing me good, right? And that's it, right? I just continue to do it because I know it's working. And maybe some people do it like that. I'm probably going to start doing something like that, just to like, not just have meat all the time. But I just know that the meat, it feels amazing. And I love meat, so for me, it's a very easy diet to do. I love meat, it's very easy to do, and I like eggs also, it's very easy to do. Actually, when I have the bacon with it, and I'm fulfilled in all areas. My energy levels are amazing, my power are amazing. Now that I'm giving just rest to my muscles, I'm going to be putting up a size very quickly. The way I eat is good because I eat, twice a day, and then I don't feel hungry no more. Maybe I should try to eat a little bit more to put up on size. But what I'm not worried about is that I don't have to worry about like how much I eat, and then I'm going to be meeting my goal. It's like perfect between me burning fat and building muscle. Exactly where I want to be, right? I don't want to shrink just to lose and get to like, because pretty much everybody understands this way. This fats right here, like on the stomach, on the sides here, right on the back. This fat right here, they feel like it's the last one you're gonna lose, right? No, this is the last one. So some people go and they share it to the point that they lose all their mass, right, to get to this, which is going to be the last point, and it'd be like a toothpick, and then now they got to go and buck to build mass again, and then they probably get mass around these areas again. Like, I don't get it, like how people do it like that. For me, the carnivore diet is the perfect thing for you to burn fat and build muscle, because I'm keeping the same weight, but my fat is getting out of the way, right, and my muscle is going up, right? So I was probably like, I'm still on the 180, almost 190. So it looks like I already put up on like a couple, like 3, because I was like 182 to like 183. I'm probably like almost 190 now, 188. So I feel like I lost about a pound or 2 of fat, and I gained a pound or 2 or 3 of muscle. So it works great. And yeah, if you haven't done the carnivore diet yet, it's very healthy. You want to know some hard facts about that? Check out Dr. Anthony Chaffee. He's been doing that his whole life, and I pretty much did what he did. He talked about being optimal is beef, salt, and water, and that's what I do, right? And then I include the eggs and the mozzarella. From time to time, actually, like for just 40 days, I did mozzarella like 3 times, because I like mozzarella so much that I got like a 5-pound, and each day that I ate, I put like about a pound with my eggs, right? Sometimes I melt it too. So delicious when you melt it. And the best thing about this diet is that you don't have a big problem with being around other foods, right? For example, I be with my daughter like most of the time. Like when she's not at school, she's with me after school, and then I feed her, give her, ice cream. I be like around candy. I be going to the store to purchase things for the house. So I be putting myself around situation that has food, but I don't have to worry about it because when I'm there preparing those things for her, I'm already full, I already ate, and I'm already good. So, yeah, that's the good thing about this nutrition. It fills you up, it gives you all the energy that you need, and then you don't need no supplements. I ain't taking nothing but my carnivore diet. So I did that like that because I want to know exactly how it happened. And that tells me that I don't need to go get a pre-workout. It might, cause inflammation. It might, do something to my body that my body ain't looking to get. It might not be that natural the way I'm building a body natural, right? So I don't want to go and do protein and then, maybe would not help me to continue to burning the fat the way I'm burning, right? So it's just working great without the pre-workout. It's working great without the protein shakes. It's working great without all the supplements that I could be taking, all these pills and stuff like that. And to me, it's very healthy. To me, I look as the same thing that people did back in the day when they used to not have all these things to help them, right? They just used to be very strong, like a King Kong on a fucking and like King Kong, like very strong with a lot of muscles, and they're not used to eat all the time. They used to fast all the time, and on this diet, you pretty much fast. You do intermittent fast because you eat and then you eat again, and then you have like a long window without eating. For example, I try to keep my window short because I want to get to single digit percent of body fat. So I got a long way to go. I'm building this body. I'm on the beginning right now. I'm just getting started. Like to get where I want to get, I got a lot of steps to go. But that's another thing that I was talking about on the other video. You got to be willing to be in the process for the long run, because people want to build a body, they want these results, they want to get success, they want to build nice habits, they want to, do all these things, and they think it's an overnight thing. These things that's going to take months and years, and some of them is your lifestyle. Like, so if everything was like, if God created a world where we just could get everything so easily, and then life, if you look like as a game, and then everything's already done, like you're not gonna have the game to play. You're not gonna have the phases to overcome and get stronger and go to another phase and keep going. Sure, boy. Let's talk about something else.
Give it to me like